Hey everybody, this is Edujo and welcome to another video in my series on the treasure hunt maze game. And in this video we're going to add an enemy so that the hero cannot just find the treasure very easily and then sort of get through the level. We want to make it a little harder, but not too hard that we discourage other people. So let's get started, and we're going to go on the sprite, create a sprite icon. And I already know that I want to use a skeleton. So I'm going to call this one sprite skeleton. I'm going to load the sprite and I'm going to choose the skeleton, which one shall I choose? It doesn't really matter. Let's choose the skeleton left. We're not going to add that. We're going to keep it nice and simple. We'll see if that becomes an issue later, but let's just say okay. Then we can go change the sprite skeleton into the object skeleton, and we select it, and we can say okay, and then we're going to place the skeleton at strategic places. So the hero will come, yes, nice treasure, ooh, this is nice treasure, but then when it comes around there or there, see, oh, hang on, here's a little monster thingy that is potentially in my way. So let's have a look what we can do with this one. So we've got the little monster. I see already that we've got the little skeleton touching the top but not the bottom. So let's go fix that first. So let's go double click sprite skeleton, and you can see it's 32 wide and 28 high. So we've got 4 pixels to play with on the y-axis. So I'm just going to make that one -2. Say okay, and that should bring out, there we go, now little skeleton sprite object character is nice. So we've got that one sorted, but then also we want to place the object skeleton maybe there as well. So I'll start him off there, and then is this fine? I'm not going to put a vertical one in this game, in this level. We'll do it in the next level. What about here? What about here? So there's 3 skeletons in this one. Right, so when I run this game, nothing should happen with the skeletons because we've not coded them to do anything, but they should just appear. They're just visible. There they are. So what we want them to do is basically move horizontally when they hit the wall. So they must just turn around and go back, hit the wall, turn around and go back, and that's it. All of them just do the same thing over and over, and then we'll code in all the other bits a little bit later. So now we're going to go to object skeleton, double click that, and we're going to say create. And when we create it, we want it to move, it doesn't matter any of those 2 directions. So if we select both, it's a bit of a random between the 2. Sometimes it'll start left, sometimes it'll start right. I'm going to set it initially to speed 5. That might be too quick because it's the same speed as our character, which means if we start running it can't catch us. But if we get to a corner and then have to lift our finger off the keyboard and then press again, in that split second it might just be too close for us to do anything. But then what we want to do is go to this icon that says reverse horizontal. So oh no, that's not going to work. Let me close that. We first need to collide with something. So let's do the collision event. I'm going to say when we collide with a wall, then we want to reverse horizontal like that. And this is the object is to the self, which is a skeleton. Say okay. Let's test it. I need some water. There we go. So that's going way too fast. Let's just have a quick look. So I'm collecting that. I'm going. Right. So let's collect this treasure. Let's. Ooh, what is that? Is that a? Ooh, I see a skeleton. Ooh, what do I do? Ah, no, go down. Let me see if I can actually get in there. Shoop. I can collect that one. I can collect that one. I can come out. Nope, can't. Wait for it. Go up. Whoops, down. And I've done that. I don't really have to go there, but it does make it. Oops. Oh yeah, there's no collision event yet. But as you can see, I'm much faster. I just want to see what happens here. Up there. I want to see if I'm quick enough to grab it and come. No, I can't. I can't come back and get that one. Right, so they're going way too fast. They're going way too fast, but that's already a nice fun element that is in this. Right, so let's make this one Let's make it 4 and let's see what happens. Then also what we want to say for the sprite hero is that we'll make another collision event. So if we collide with the skeleton, what should happen with us? That means we should be destroyed. So we should be destroyed. Is that something we want? Let me just see. I think there was another one I was interested in before. We could jump to a position, or we can jump to the start. I think that's probably a better one. We can probably jump to the start. Let's do that one for now. Applies to ourselves. Let's just see if that works. Jump to the start when we collide with the object. Obviously we'll lose some points and you'll have lives later on, but let's just, I'm not gonna, okay, they're moving much better now for my taste. So I'm just gonna go there, I'm gonna go up, skeleton, and then to right. So we jump to the start, so we're at the start and then we can start again. So obviously once that happens, we will lose some score as well, and we possibly lose a life, or whatever you choose to do. But the next thing I want to test, before I carry on, I think I might be happy with their speed at the moment. But remember I said it mustn't be too, oh my days, it mustn't be too hard for you to complete this level. So I need to test the top one and I need to test this one. So what I want to test here is, do I have enough time to go there? No, I can't. Oh, I'm going to start again. Right, I may fast forward the video here as well. It doesn't look like I've got enough time at this speed. And I like the speed. The speed is actually fine. Right, there we go. Collect the treasure, come back. No, there's just not enough time. So I either need to keep the speed or possibly make the opening here. That gives me just enough time. What to do, or I can change both. If I go here, I'm gonna click on the wall object. I'm gonna put a wall in there, take that one away. I think that will help us. I can't remember if we can do a point whatever. Let's say 3.5. That is okay. Apparently that's fine. I didn't know I could do a point, but anyway, we've got, so speed 3.5. So now it should go slightly slower. And again, I might fast forward this just for the testing purposes. Better position now. Hopefully that'll be fine. Yes, go, grab it, come back. Right, that gives us enough time. Go there. So that gives us enough time now to actually grab that treasure as we are testing it. And now I just want to check the bottom one over here. This should be fine. Ooh, it's I say it should be fine. I'm gonna have to fast forward it again. Go. Oh, I touched it. Right, fast forward again. When I've got that, right, there we go, there we go, there we go. There, oh, just right. So that one is very tight. That one is very tight. I may have to slow them down slightly further. Right, let me just sort out that other thingy first. I'll keep it like that. But then for the skeleton, that's obviously not working. I need a bit more time, so I'm going to keep that at 3 now. Or I need to change what's happening in the room, because I've got 3 blocks, he's got 4 blocks. Once I'm down there, it's already a block, but that should be better. So again, I will fast forward this just to test that last bit, because I know now I can make the top one. I'll just wait there so I can see the actual time once it goes past me. Go back. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed the wrong button. There. Go. Why did it stop? Why did it stop? Oh my days. Really? Can it be that hard? Can it be that? Oh, I know what I'll do. Just for the purpose of the test, I'm gonna move the hero right there. Okay, now I can test that properly. Oops, the wrong one. Right, so the arrow will be right there. Now I can test it, and it'll jump to the start position anyway. Okay, so the first time I tested it actually works. So I just want to do it again, because this is a tight. I need to. Okay, it's jumping to the start position. Right, it's jumping to the start position. Go, go, go. Right, so that makes it nice because you can, there we go, you have just enough time. You have just enough time for this one. This one is obviously very easy to do. This one should now be much easier if I just go there and let's just check it out. Go, grab the treasure, come back. Yeah, you've got about 4 blocks to spare. About 4 blocks to spare, but this one is then much tighter. This one's probably the easiest one. This one is a bit tighter for that. Whee, hello, can't do anything. And then you can go, and then you can go and grab this treasure, come back up. Same, going slightly faster, so we have to pay attention. So that is absolutely fine. I'm not going to make it. I'm not going to make it. Then we can go up. Yeah, that works. That works. Okay, cool. Excellent. So now we have, oh sorry, let me just run that again. So now what we've done in this video, we've got the enemies. Oh, I need to change my start position. I'll put it back in a second. No, I won't. Let's go do it right now. So let's go to our level. Let's do our hero. Let's place him there, and let's delete that one. And now we can run it. So there we go. So our little character is now ready to collect all the treasures. As you can see, all the treasures can now be collected. I'll just stop there, and I don't know if my mouse is visible or not, but we've got our one enemy over there, one skeleton patrolling that part, and another one patrolling this to protect this bit here in the middle and there. But our little character must be very sneaky, and then we have to really be quick or precise to get through this one, here. Right, so in this video we had the added the enemies, and the only thing we did here was once we collide with the enemies, we just jump back to our starting position. So later on in the series, we will look to add some possibly some drawing the score, maybe losing a life if you get caught by the enemy, or something like that. We shall see what we do there. But anyway, so I think for now that is good enough for our level 1. Our enemy can make it. So in the next video we will then go on a little bit quicker, and we will get to our second level, and we will add maybe similar enemies that go horizontal, but maybe 1 or 2 enemies that go vertical as well. And then the plan is, once we get to our third level, then we might have a ghost or something that sort of follows you as you go around the maze. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.